Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Mosan Diaries. Today we are making one of my favorite dips. It's a roasted bell pepper hummus. Trust me guys, it's so yummy and you must try it. And if you like our recipe, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our video. Now let's get started. Here I have taken one whole roasted capsicum, 1.5 cup of cooked chickpeas, 1 lemon, 1 clove of garlic, some fresh coriander, some organic tahini and salt and pepper for taste. Now I'm gonna put everything in the food processor. First some capsicum, then some chickpeas, fresh coriander, two tablespoons of tahini, lemon juice, I'm using one whole lemon. I love lemon. Clove of garlic, and I'm gonna put some salt and pepper. One tablespoon of water. Now I'm gonna blend it. Looks like our hummus is ready now. Let's check our hummus consistency. It's nice and smooth. Now it's ready. I'm gonna take it off the food processor. We can make a pattern with the spoons. Just roll it. Oh, sorry, mine is not working. Yours might work. And I'm gonna top it up with some olive oil. Sweet. It's ready guys. We're gonna have it with some salad as a dip. Alright guys, here is our roasted bell pepper hummus ready to be enjoyed. You can either have it with a slice of toast or cucumber, carrots, or basically anything. I love this even with rice. That's all for today. And if you liked our recipe, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our video. And also guys, please let me know if you want to request any other food recipes. I would be more than happy to make one for you guys. Thank you so much for today and we'll see you on next video.